Is your Hisense Roku TV remote not working? Don't worry, most remote issues can be solved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Let's start with the most common solutions. Step 1 is to replace the batteries with fresh alkaline batteries. This addresses power-related issues, which account for 60% of all remote problems. Make sure the batteries are correctly aligned with proper polarity. Step 2 is to power cycle your TV. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet for at least 60 seconds. This allows the TV to completely reset and clears any temporary software glitches that might be affecting remote communication. Step 3 is to remove the batteries from the remote control for 30 seconds. This resets the remote's internal memory and clears any stored connection issues. Step 4 is the proper reconnection sequence. First, plug the TV back in and wait for it to fully boot up. Then, reinsert the batteries into the remote control. Finally, test the remote functions to ensure everything is working properly. These simple troubleshooting steps resolve 60% of all remote control issues. Power-related problems are the most common cause of remote malfunctions, making battery replacement and power cycling highly effective solutions. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your remote issues, advanced fixes can help. First, let's repair your enhanced remote with voice control capabilities. Hold the pairing button on your remote for 3 to 5 seconds. This button is typically located near the battery compartment. Wait for the confirmation message to appear on your TV screen. For infrared remotes, you can test functionality using your smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see a purple or white light indicating the infrared signal is working. Clean your TV's infrared sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Remove any obstructions within 6 feet of the TV that might block the infrared signal between your remote and the sensor. For persistent issues, try a soft reset using this button sequence. Press the home button 5 times, then up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. This resets the remote's connection without affecting your TV settings. As a last resort, you can perform a hard reset using the physical reset button on your TV. Locate the reset button on the back panel. Hold it for 15 to 20 seconds while the TV is powered on. This will restore factory settings and require complete setup again. These advanced troubleshooting methods should resolve most persistent remote connectivity issues. Try them in order from pairing to soft reset, using hard reset only when necessary.